Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing hrblock.com and their course. So if you actually enroll their course right here on their website, they claim to help you learn to do taxes. So in this tax course, you'll do more than crunch numbers. You learn how to make a positive impact on your clients and community. So basically, they will help you become or learn to become a CPA or accountant and more than that. So learn filing requirements, self-employment income, qualifying dependents and support, retirement contributions and distributions, interest and dividend income, state fundamentals, itemized deductions, and plus this and more. So yeah, they actually claim to do a lot. So don't worry, this site is legit. And the debate is if it is actually a good course. So actually, they have these student testimonials right here. So I recently completed hrblock's tax course. So a lot of people are saying that this is really good. However, we have it here on Reddit. So one person said, overall this course is excellent, except you must choose the right instructor. Unfortunately, I have a nasty instructor who's only reading from the textbook, usually doesn't explain the problem review, and doesn't send you the review, whereas the other instructors will send you the review and compare your work with his review and a lot more. So let's head on over here to Quora. And right here is hrblock income tax, the gold standard for learning. And basically, the answer is no. CPA since 1985. However, these arguments are trivial since they're arguing about is the course the gold standard? Is it the best out there? So since if it's in that category or in that argument, it must be one of the best out there. So yeah, this site is not a scam. So by ahead, if you want to learn to do taxes, you can go ahead and do this. So like this person said, just choose the right instructor and do some research before doing it. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.